In this video, we're going to look at probability of an event and theoretical probability. So probability of an event, what that means is it's the measure of the chance that an event will occur. So like for instance, if you're flipping a coin, there's a 50% chance that you will flip heads and a 50% chance that you will land on tails. And so that is the probability of the event of landing on heads. And this number is always equal or between 0 and 1, and it can be expressed as a decimal, fraction, or a percent. And so we see that scale here. So at 0, 0, or 0%, that means it's impossible. There is no chance of that happening. So if I'm flipping a coin, there's no chance that it's going to land on 1 because that is not on either side of the coin. A quarter chance, that means it's unlikely, so that would be 1/4, 0.25, 25%. All of those are equal to one another, depending on whether you're writing as a fraction, decimal, or a percent. Then it can go either way, so it's an equal chance of one way or the other, and that is a 50%, likely, 3/4, 0.75, 75%, and certain, and that is when it's equal to 1 or 100%. So that means that it will always happen. And so what we're going to look at in the next video is theoretical probability. So first, for a definition, favorable outcomes is the outcomes for a specified or wanted event. So for instance, for flipping a coin and you want to find the probability of it landing on heads would be the favorable outcome because that's what we are wanting to happen. And so when we're looking at theoretical probability, some things about theoretical probability is that it is when all outcomes are equally likely to occur. So again, looking at flipping a coin, that one would be theoretical probability because there's an equal chance, if you're looking at a normal coin, that it will land on heads or it will land on tails. And we can find the theoretical probability by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of outcomes. And we represent the probability of event A as P of A, as we see in that third bullet point.